celebration of Nature Day. Thank you so much. We are going to have a fantastic day today. Darling from City of Port Coquitlam.
Again, on behalf of our Mayor, Brad West, and the rest of City Council, I want to welcome everyone who's not a citizen of Port Coquitlam, but here for the day. Thank you very much for being here, and for all those residents that are here, thank you for all the support. Go on, the dodgeball as well. And you know, I have to say that I also want to acknowledge my fellow councillor, Councillor Lord DuPont is here as well.
Gates Park in Port Coquitlam. I would like to extend a special thank you to Medi and all the organizers of this amazing event. We don't see this many people in our community celebrating a beautiful spring day very often, so we are very grateful you are here. I just like to take a moment to say we are nothing without nature. We have lots of beautiful trees and clean air and good water to drink. We are a very wealthy community. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you very much, Laura.
نوروز است. نفس پرگشته از بوی خوش باران. برای دیدن ایران و ایرانی تنم روحم یک پارچه هوای وطن دارد. میان سبزه و گل چیده ام تصویر نازت را مادر.
یک کف محکم بزنین، دستتون در نکنه که اومدین و ساپورت کردین. Thank you so much guys. So it's wonderful to see me. Why you are here?
Because I want to have lots of fun.
Very well done, very well done. Thank you guys so much. So now how about having a little dance here? Beautiful medals, I want one.
ماشاءالله جوانا
To the مبارکتون باشه. و ما حمایت میکنیم از اینکه گیاهای بومی بکاریم و گیاهای مهاجم رو بکنیم و ریشه کن کنیم، از غرفه ما دیدن کنیم. باز هم مبارک باشه 13 بدرتون. خدا نگهدار.